Good morning, guys. This is Friday, last day of July. Last day of July, July 31st. I'm doing something today. I did a thing. Here's the offer card. Yes, package route delivery. My OG app for package delivery. DashLink through DoorDash. Now, not every market has this. A couple years ago, 2-3 years ago, I did some videos on DashLink. Well, I decided, you know what? I'm gonna try it. It seems like they upped the pay. And I got this. I have 45 packages, 45 stops. And $130 some, whatever the card says. I can't pick off the top of my head. You get on a wait list and everything, and you're prioritized according to your ratings and according to DashLink ratings, which is separate than your normal ratings. And well, I'm at the bottom of the barrel. When I got up this morning, I decided to check to see where I was in line, because they tell you by 5 a.m. where you're at. I was number 78 and there was only 28 orders, and it says you're unlikely to get an offer. Well, I went ahead and did my morning routine. I did my coffee and stuff. I just kept it on, and then boom, this order came in. I'm like, okay, I'm taking it, because I need to start doing these orders to move up the ladder in line to get better offers. Basically, I've got to please the DashLink gods, if you will. But anyhow, we're off to the warehouse, and I'll see you there. We have a full house, folks. My trunk, back seat, front seat. Can't see the trunk, but 45 packages, a lot of them, half of them boxes, but we got this. And I've got them pretty well organized. A couple boxes I had to misplace because they were too big. But anyhow, we're heading out. Let's see how long it takes us to do this route.
Coffee's hot, the sunrise glows, waiting to see where the highway goes. DashLink calling on my screen, chasing another small town dream. One more morning, one more ride, GPS and hope right by my side. City streets or country lanes, every mile's a story waiting to be named. I can see the miles ahead, I can choose where I'll be led. Every turn's another chance to trust my heart and take that dance. Grandma Dasher, one route at a time, rolling through the back roads, crossing county lines. DashLink mornings underneath blue skies, every stop's another reason why I try. Through the city, through the countryside, one more package, one more hopeful ride. Grandma Dasher, chasing dreams in flight, one route at a time, everything feels right. Some roads call me, some I let go. Learned a long time back to trust what I know. Every sunrise brings another chance, finding my rhythm in this little dance. Some days spark, some days DashLink calls. You never know where tomorrow falls. Keep on rolling,
have 2 packages for this location.
Skies, every stop's another reason why I try. Through the city, through the countryside. One more package, one more hopeful ride. Grandma Dasher, chasing dreams in flight. One route at a time, everything feels right. Keeping this dream alive. Ah, Grandma Dasher, one route at a time. Another DashLink morning. Let's roll. Coffee in my favorite cup, watching as the sun comes up. Phone lights up, it's finally here. Another route is drawing near. Map lights up in shades of blue. Wonder where it'll take me to. City streets or country lanes. Every morning's never the same. I can see the miles ahead. Every turn's already mapped. Take a chance, hit accept. Leave the worries in the past. DashLink morning, here we go. Following wherever the good roads flow. One more route, one more day. Making memories all the way. Grandma Dasher behind the wheel. Living life that's strong and real. Through the city, through the countryside. DashLink takes me for another ride.
Okay, I just want to pop on here just to say that we are in the home stretch. Last 10 packages of this 45 route, 45 stop route. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish it up, and then I will give you my thoughts on this. This was a 2 package drop off also, so that's a 1 stop closer.
Every offer's meant for me. The best one set my spirit free. DashLink morning, here we go. Following wherever the good roads flow. One more route, one more dream. Nothing's ever as it seems. Grandma Dasher rolling on from the daylight to the dawn. Every mile reminds me why I still chase that.
This is the final stop, and this place gets 2 packages also. So let's go deliver these. Well, DashLink has made some positive changes. The first one is when you get to a stop and there's more than 1 package, it lets you know that there's 2 packages or 3 packages. Instead of you having to run back to your car just to find out you have another package at that same stop. I did notice that the routes are much longer now. The pay is higher. But as you will see in an upcoming video, I declined a lot in the next round because, again, it's just a lot of stops. I barely fit 45 packages in my vehicle. I've done up to 50, but some of these routes that I declined, 70 packages, 65 packages, it was pretty bad. But I will continue to do DashLink, and I treat DashLink like I treat normal DoorDash offers. I cherry pick. That's something else you have to make note of. If you ever have to return packages to DashLink, it affects your ratings, because there is a metrics now that says how many packages you actually delivered to customers. But that's my thoughts on DashLink. Thanks for watching and riding along today. Every dash, every mile, it all adds up. Subscribe if you're chasing that hustle too, and I will see you in the next one.